What is up, guys? Today we're gonna go from our stock side skirts and our homemade aero to our new voltex style side skirt and our new aero courtesy of Street Aero. Let's get at it. So today's an exciting day. We got a package in yesterday and our aero came in a couple days earlier. So we are going to be replacing, get off me. We're gonna be replacing our stock side skirts and our junk homemade aero for the good stuff. So I'm pretty excited about this. So it was kind of funny, I didn't know, when I ordered these side skirts that they're from the same company, that made my front bumper. So that was a little reassuring because I was reading comments saying that fitment was pretty good, but they're a little short, which they are just a smidge short, but I don't think if you really noticed it, or if you weren't looking for it, you wouldn't notice it, which is cool. I think it's gonna look really good. It went on great, only had to make some minor adjustments for fitment, but this is what they look like. So they're a voltex style side skirt. They're kind of that, I don't even know, kind of like a polyplastic, which will be nice because they're kind of flexible. And then we have our new ABS side skirts extensions from Street Aero. It looks absolutely amazing. I already went ahead and did the passenger side, just so I could kind of see what it was I needed to do. And here's how that looked. So I think fitment's gonna be pretty decent. I don't think you're gonna really know that they're just a smidge too short. So let's go ahead and pull off the driver's side and start mocking up our new side skirt. Alright, so now that we got the car up in the air, you'll have these little pull tabs. There's one in the front, two in the rear, and then all the screws on the bottom. Alright, so once you get your side skirt off, the first thing we're going to do is move our factory, they're like little clips. Oh, one of them already came out. So they're like factory little push tabs. They just like pop out. I'm trying to reuse as much, or make this side skirt as factory as I can with taking it on and off. So to do that, we're gonna have to move our mounting points. So these two, and we're gonna make them, so we're gonna take these two, pull them out, and then re-drill new holes in the next flat spot in. So we're gonna take this and move it just one spot in on both sides, because this is the correct distance for the little backing plate on the back of our side skirt. So we'll just move those in. So the next thing we need to do is on the back side of the side skirt, there's these little indents right here. And for us to get the side skirt to sit more flush with the car, I just took on the last side, just trimmed this down. So basically just cut the hump off of it so it's set closer to the car. So let's go ahead and do that again. Alright, So we've gone ahead and mounted our first body panel up front. We took the wheel off and did the other two back here. Now what we'll do is we'll take the side skirt back off and mark our 4 body pop tabs, and that'll just give us a little bit more stability and just a tighter fit. So we use these front 2 mounts right here, and all I did is put a little screw in them, and then we'll take a paint pen and we'll dab these and then pick the side skirt up and then push on it to see where on the back that screw is going to fall, and then that's where we'll cut our hole to insert the piece that snaps into that.